Good morning, first graders. We are going to do a math calendar together today. So we're going to just work through all of our things and we'll talk about it as we go. So we have talked about how this month is September and it's 2020. And you noticed all sorts of things about our calendar. You noticed that there were patterns, there were color patterns, orange, yellow, blue, orange, yellow, blue, and there were patterns with tally marks, popsicle sticks, and double tens frames. So today, we're going to add another day to the calendar. Yesterday was September 15th. I wonder what today is. Today is September 16, 2020. So you will notice today the number 16 is represented with tally marks. Tally marks are in groups of 5, so we can count by 5s, and then there's a bundle of 10. So here are 5, 10, 15, and one more is 16. I wonder if you notice anything else about those. You maybe notice that this is a group of 10, and then here are 5 more, and then there's another one over there. So for our month, it is still September, so we write 9 because it goes January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, so it's been 9 months. The day today is 16. There have been 16 days in September. And we write 20 because the year is 2020. Now for our calendar grid observations, we're trying to catch up because we didn't start school until the 14th, so we're trying to fill in the extra days. Yesterday we got as far as filling in to September 5th, so today we need to write September 6th. If we look at September 6th, it's represented with a double tens frame. Yesterday we talked about how a double means 2, and tens frames are groups of 10. So there are 2 groups of 10. There are 3 dots on top, 3 dots on the bottom, and that equals 6. I'm going to draw that on our number grid observation. We still don't have a group of 10 when we're talking about the 6th, but there are 6 ones, so we could say 0 plus 6 equals 6. Let's do a few more today. If we talk about September 7th, that was represented with tally marks. So I'm going to draw 7 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to cross the 5th. 6, 7. We still don't have a group of 10, so I have to write 0 tens and 7 ones. And an equation to make 7 would be 0 plus 7 equals 7. If we look at number 8, it's using popsicle sticks. So I'm going to write 9, 8, 20, and I have to draw 8 popsicle sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Still no group of 10. 8 ones. 0 plus 8 equals 8. I wonder if you're noticing anything happening with the 10s and the 1s, and when we make the equation, if you see a pattern happening there. I want you to think about that. We're going to do one more today, and then we'll catch up more of the numbers when we're back in school together tomorrow. So if we look at September 9th, 9 is shown with a double tens frame again. There are 5 dots on the top, 4 dots on the bottom. So 5 and 4 4 make 9. We still don't have a group of 10. We have 9 ones. 0 plus 9 equals 9. Now today we have to represent our tally marks over where we had put our double tens frame yesterday. So yesterday we made a double tens frame. We showed the number 15. Today we're going to show the number 16 with tally marks. Now if you're at home doing this with me, I want you to use your finger and make the tally marks with me. And remember, when we get to number 5, you have to cross the bundle. We're going to make 16 total. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and one more makes 16. Now on the calendar card, it had the group of 10 circled. So I'm going to circle that for us. We have been together in school learning one more day than 2. So yesterday it was 2 days. Today we get to make another X and update our days in school. So today we have been in school 1, 2, 3 days. We've already been learning 3 days together. So you can write the number 3 like that. The word 3 looks like that. T-H-R-E-E. Now there are different equations you can use to make the number 3. You could say 0 plus 3 equals 3. 3 plus 0 equals 3. I wonder if you could think of another one that you could share with a family member at home. Maybe 1 plus 2, or even 2 plus 1. We're going to get really good at doing that together. Now, the last thing we're going to do today is I'm going to spin the spinner and we're going to collect more nickels and more pennies. So say the poem with me. The penny poem goes, penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. A penny is worth 1. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents. I know that. A nickel is 5 cents. So when we count our nickels, we have to count by 5s. And then when we count our pennies, we change our counting to by 1s. So I'm going to spin the spinner and I'll tell you what we get today. Today, you can see we got 3 more pennies. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to add our 3 pennies to our chart, and then we're going to count all the money together. Here's 1 more penny. 2. 3. So we added the 3 pennies. Let's count all of our coins together now. We still only have 1 nickel, so we're going to say 5. And then we have to think. And we're going to switch our counting by 1s. So 5. 1 more is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 cents now. After you're done, after we're done with this today, then there will be some more choices that I'll talk about after our meeting. Thank you.